Hey guys, what's going on everyone? It's Rich. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I got some pretty cool back to school tech products, and what's great is that all these are under $50. They're not gonna break the bank, and rather than just making a big list of some wonky products, I chose these items pretty carefully because they're something I would definitely use. So I'm gonna talk about all the products and you can check them out in the description below. I'll give a brief overview of the cool features of it, what I like most about them, because some of these items are pretty useful and I think you'll feel the same way too. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So the first item on the list is a SideBySide Powerpacker Tech Organizer Case. Now, this is an ideal travel accessory bag. It can store a lot of things like your power cables, USB chargers, SD cards, flash drives. You know, the possibilities are endless. It has this premium stretch fabric feel. The elastic spandex material allows it to stretch to any sorts of shapes and sizes. And you can fit a lot of items in this case. So there's two compartments. One is a big compartment and that allows you to put some big items in there, anything you want, like a hard drive or something. There's a nice feel to it so you don't have to worry about any scratches or rough edges. And on the other flap is where you organize most of your items, right? So there's a bunch of pockets and flaps. I typically hold my USB-C hub in here, a lightning headphone jack, some pencils, SD cards, micro USB cables, a lot of things you can put in here. And you can see when I turn the flap over, there's still a lot of space here. The company SideBySide has an infographic on Amazon where they say you can fit all sorts of stuff in here, like full-on laptop chargers, even a Nintendo Switch. And I think what I like most about this is the build material. I mean, it's just solid, sturdy, really nice in the hand, and honestly, I think it just makes me want to centralize all of my tech items in here, put all of them in this case so that I have like a go-to sanctuary of all the tech items that I need. And that's great. I mean, I really like this product a lot, and you can pick this up on Amazon for around 30 bucks. So it's definitely a worthwhile purchase if you're a tech enthusiast like me, or maybe you just want something to store extra items. Check the link in the description below. The next item on the list is a smart light bulb. And honestly, you can go into your local Walmart, Best Buy, or Target and pick this light bulb up. But it is a 65-watt light bulb that has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built into it, and then you can download an app on your phone which allows you to control the colors, the RGB spectrum, you know, the brightness of the light bulb, and it's really cool and really neat. And I think this is important, especially for people at home, because this definitely can change up the mood in any room. And personally, you know, I'm kind of tired of seeing the white light here all the time, so sometimes I just want to change it up a little bit. And this light bulb works with most lighting outlets. You know, there's a standard screw size, so you can put this in your bedroom ceiling lights, a kitchen, lamps. And if you ever have friends over, family, or a party going on, it's definitely a great way to switch up the mood. Alright, and the next tech product I got for you guys is a gaming mouse, and more specifically, the Razer Death Adder Essential. Now, oh boy, this is a great gaming mouse. Probably the most popular gaming mouse in the world. It's literally #1 on Amazon if you search it up. Everyone and their moms must have heard of the Razer Death Adder at least one point in their lifetime, because if you know anything about PC gaming, you have to have seen this mouse before. But this is the Essential version, which has everything you need in terms of the design and comfort without giving you too much extra buttons and options. This mouse retails for around $20 to $30. It comes with the same ergonomic feel as you would with any Death Adder. It weighs around 96 grams, which is on the lighter size of gaming mouses. I think it's pretty beautiful. I mean, I have the white edition here. The white LEDs just sell it for me. It just looks so clean. And if you want to hear me talk more about this mouse, you can check out my full video up here where I did a review on it. Go check it out. It's a great mouse. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's say you get the gaming mouse. Now let's get you a mouse pad. And the next item on the list is the SteelSeries QCK. This is a top choice of esports professionals for more than 15 years, which is optimized for low and high CPI tracking movements. And the exclusive QCK micro-woven cloth allows for maximum control. There's definitely a difference moving your mouse around on this mouse pad as compared to maybe a cheap like $2 one you get from your local Walmart. And if you don't use that for a mouse pad, you can use it as like a placeholder. I like to put my phone or other tech products on it. It just gives it a nice and soft surface without having it scratch anything. It's a really cool mouse pad. Go check it out. The next item on the list is the most popular Anker power bank, more specifically the one that is 1300 milliamps. This power bank can charge my iPhone 7 Plus up to 5 times from 0 to 100. There's just a lot of juice in here. And what's cool is that there's 2 USB ports on it, so you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. And what's even better is that both of these USB ports have power IQ and voltage boost in them, which basically charges your phone phone super fast. I was able to go from 0 to 100 at around 40 to 50 minutes. So that's pretty insane. In addition, with its large capacity, it still remains a slim and sleek finish, which I like. It's pretty thin, so it doesn't take up too much space. I actually like to put this in my Powerpacker travel bag, which I mentioned earlier. It's just a great fit for it, and I always bring it everywhere with me. So this thing has saved me so many times. And specifically, I like to stay with Anker products, and no, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. They're just known for reliability, and they work well with Android and iPhone devices, and it's just a great product in general. Go check it out. Number 6 on the tech product list is a flashlight. This one has up to 1000 lumens, making this a super bright flashlight for any scenario. This thing will help you a lot, as it helped me, especially when I was trying to find stuff in dark hidden areas or in places where I just needed a little bit more light that my phone couldn't do. And if you guys drive or something, I always like to keep one of these in my car's glove box, just so I can check my car or anything if I left it there for overnight. And what's cool is that it's rechargeable too, so you don't have to run around and find AA or AAA batteries like you would with any other flashlight. You can charge it simply using a micro USB cable. And with all that, it's pretty tactical. I like the feel and the look of it. It looks great. I definitely recommend this product. And the last item on this list for this video is, well, the microphone boom. If any of you guys are podcasters, streamers, gamers or something, and you still have the microphone sitting on your desk with the included stand, I think it's time to get yourself a microphone boom, as these are very, very helpful. You can clamp it onto any desk and you can move it around to adjust it to the perfect position. And why is this great? Well, number one, that's one item less on your desk as you're raising it up on the side and overhead your computer. Number two, you can move it and adjust it to any position you want. And especially if we're gaming at this, and especially if we're talking at this level, having the microphone right here is just really nice. My friends that came in here before and they're like, bro, you Twitch stream or something? And I'm like, nah, I just make YouTube videos. But a great product nonetheless. Pretty cheap on Amazon. You can find these microphone booms anywhere, but yeah. And so that's the end of the video. That's all I got for you guys. Give a thumbs up emoji down below in the comments if you made it to the end of the video. And just feel free to talk, say something in the comments down below. I guarantee you, I see every comment, so I'll give it a like, a heart, or maybe I'll just talk to you back. And overall, I just want to see the comments under my videos a little bit more lively, get it going. Anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button too to stay updated with what I got for you in the future. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.